SPGC stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. SAC's Parente Golf, a well-known ticker on this YouTube channel, it's gone down 9%. I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. That's why everything is documented on this YouTube channel. But generally speaking, that was my exact idea. You know, I was expecting the price to keep melting down, and if the rules were met, even potentially, you know, taking a short sale here. But you can see we had other plans, and it just kind of gapped down. So what's the next? You know, what's the next approach here? I mean, for the next, I would just say that the likelihood that the lows keep getting cleared out is just quite high. So I'm just like looking to double down on the whole market. Like that's kind of showing you my bias here, but without the confirmation being met, I'm just not willing to short sell. And if you ask me, but when are you going to be bullish? The moment I start seeing breaks above $1. That's totally reasonable. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple way in just weeks blueprint, click the first link in the description right now, because there's only 11 left and it's getting deleted on 15th of March.